You're now viewing a video guide for 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang quarter window louver. These are the tools that we recommend for the installation. Please read the following before proceeding the installation. We can go ahead and start applying double-sided foam tape to the edges of the louver. Please be careful when applying the tape to the louver, as it is difficult to remove once you stuck it on. Remember to cut the tape for the necessary length of the louver. Now for a better application of the window louver, go ahead and clean the window as best as you can. Your next step is to peel the backing and apply to the window. And make sure that the window louver is the correct side for the vehicle.
Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.